Boys, Pipito Joseph Clark, Aka versus Vidalia Alam Ryu, Au, Cabanes Caleb, Aka, Katanisan John Azrael, Au, Fernandez Tyler, Aka, Awa Calvin, Au.
Formata General Nisei Del Aka. After this bout, please prepare Casas Noete Zak Aka, Pugoy Precious Country Au. Winner, Aka, Ulbok Era Shane.
For 8 to 9 years old,
Next
novice,
bout, Casas Noete Zak Aka, Pugoy Precious Country Au.
Pipito Joseph Clark, please raise your hand. Okay. Medalia,
Pugoy Precious Au.
Medalia Alon, please raise your hand. Medalia Aaron. Okay. For 8 to 9 years old, novice Kata Boys, first bout, Pipito Joseph Clark versus Medalia Aaron.
Please be ready. Lapin Yumi Denise Aka, Apuya Rebek Tisha Au.
Please prepare Cabanes Caleb. Cabanes Caleb, please raise your hand. Stand by. Okay. Katamisan John Azrael, please raise your hand. Okay, stand by. Fernandez Keeper.
Winner, Aka, Casas Noete Zak. Please change your belt to Au. Next bout, Lapin Yumi Denise Aka, Apuya Rebek Tisha Au.
Fernandez Tyler, please raise your hand. Fernandez Tyler. Fernandez Tyler, okay. Awa Calvin. Awa Calvin, please raise your hand. Okay, stand by.
After this bout, please be ready. Mata Janera Aka, Saldivar Clarice Au.
Again, this category is 10 to 11 years old advanced kata girls.
Cabanes, Aka,
Next bout, Lanyada and Gamboa. Raise your hand, Lanyada. Gamboa, raise your hand, Gamboa.
Caleb versus
Blue.
Katamisan John Azrael. Please prepare Fernandez Tyler.
Aka, Mata Janera Aka, Saldivar Clarice Au.
Fernandez Tyler, please raise your hand. Awa,
Pugoy.
Awa,
Dinoy, Precious, Dinoy. Next mo, ano yan? Next kayo.
Awa Calvin.
Lanyada, raise your hand, Lanyada. Gamboa, raise your hand. Okay, start. Advance ha, advance.
Awa Calvin. Please raise your
Please be ready. Olbok Era Shane Aka, Casas Noete Zeki Au.
Next bout, Fernandez Tyler versus Awa Calvin. Please prepare Buntilao Dustin. Buntilao Dustin, please raise your hand. Versus Borja Clay. Borja, please raise your hand.
Mas pamay AAC. Pamay ba?
Safer.
1
versus Bora. Start. Villarba, please raise your hand. Villarba Generic. Villarba Generic, please raise your hand.
Winner out. Gamboa Jamila. Next out, Pogoy and Ninoy. Pogoy is out. Ninoy. Again, this is
Change
advance.
your belt to Aka. Next bout, Lapi
Ayo, Elia.
Aka, Saldivar Caris Au.
Limpo Samantha.
Kir
Limpo.
Kirong Miguel, please raise your hand.
Start.
Next bout, Villa Carlos Joseph Aka versus Villarba Generic.
Get ready, Gonzales. Aka, Lodalo, out.
Start. Kirong Miguel. Cortez January, please raise your hand. Again, okay. Stand by, please.
Winner, Aka, Lapi Yunin Denise. Please change your belt to Au. Please be ready, Casas Nuete Zeni Aka.
Mindalia Alon, please prepare. Cabanes Caleb. Au, please prepare.
Last call, Roma Yeshua Ayan, JPS.
Next bout, Kirong Miguel Inigo versus Cortez Mari Axel. Cortez, please raise your hand.
Faster, Lapi Yunin Denise. Please rest. Au.
Cortez, please raise your hand.
Casas Nuete Aka. Aka.
Last call, Roma Yeshua Ayan of JPS. And Cuarto Emilio Tuntao.
Lapin Yunin Denise.
Pipito Johan David. Au, please prepare.
Raise your hand, Lapin. Lapin.
Winner. Ninoy Precious Shelly. Next bout, Ayo Ella, raise your hand. Limpo Samantha, raise your hand. Okay, start. Next is Gonzales Aka. Lodalo. Next
Mindalia, Mindalia Alon, please raise your hand. Please prepare. Cabanes Caleb. Cabanes Caleb. Okay, please stand by. Next one.
Winner, Aka, Casas Nuete Zeni Go. Silver, Lapin
Winner, Aka. Ayo Ella from Kuntao, Mandaue, Cebu. Okay, next bout, Gonzales and Lodalo. Start. Next, Gamboa, Aka, Gamboa. Gamboa, raise your hand. Sabote. Ashana Sabote. Sa kabila. Gamboa will be next.
Okay, first round for 12 to 13 years old newbie Kata boys. For Aka, Kape Ulrich Ethan. For Au, Baligwan Chris Jadwin.
Fernandez Tyler, please raise your hand. Fernandez Tyler. Yandog Emmanuel. Yandog Emmanuel, please raise your hand. Start.
After this round, please be ready Castañares Matthew Aka, Batayola Rigel Ken Au. After this round, please be ready.
Last, please raise your hand. Please stand by. Villa Carlos Joseph. Villa Carlos Joseph.
Raise your hand, Kape Ulrich Ethan. Raise your hand, Kape Ulrich. Baligwan Chris. Okay, start.
Buntilao Dustin versus Villa Carlos Joseph. Please prepare Cortez John Marie. Cortez John Marie, please raise your hand. Cortez John Marie.
Winner, Aka.
Again,
Sabote. Raise your hand, Pinoy.
Cortez,
Pinoy, change to red. To red, Pinoy.
Cortez,
Zaki.
John Marie, please raise your hand. Cortez John Marie.
Baligwan Chris Jadwin. Please check. Next, Matthew Aka, Batayola Rigel Ken Au.
Attention, there's a photo booth going on. If you want to take pictures of to the photo booth, please approach. Photo booth is available. We have a photo booth for this event. Please see the lobby if you want to take some pictures.
Ayo Ella, raise your hand. Red. Fajardo Hana.
Raise your hand when I call your name.
Winner, Au, Batayola Rigel Ken. Batayola, you have 30 seconds rest. Please be ready. Baligwan Chris Jadwin Aka, Batayola Rigel Ken Au. 30 seconds rest.
14 to 15 intermediate kata girls. 14 to 15 intermediate kata girls on my left side. On my left side. Mayon Kidney Radley. Mayon Kidney Radley.
Midala Alon, please raise your hand. Midala Alon, please raise your hand.
Gonzaga K.
Fernandez Tyler,
Khalifa. Tumayan.
For the final round, Aka Batayona Chris Gladwin, Batayona Rigel et al.
Lodenia Dorothy. Panigo Jocelyn. Sisante Azarea. Kabij J. Hillary. Alipolo Denise. Noera Gia. Gravador Riza. Bersabal Ella.
Winner Al, Batayona Rigel et. Gold, Batayona Rigel et. Pasigua Gladwin Silver.
Winner, Al. Samonte Ashan from AKK4. Next round, Dinoy F.
Proceed to the staging.
Dinoy Precious Shani and Frankie Zanki. Start. After this, Ayo Ella and Par Anime.
For this bout, 14 to 15 years old intermediate kata boys, Legal Saint Alexis, Aka, Kerater Ryan Paul Al. This is for the final bout.
Next up, the 10-11 years old intermediate kata boys, Leon Jamergel, EMMAC.
next bout,
Showpan, Sirgon, ATS, GTS Cebu, Institution from Iran's GPAN, BTB Kuho, Camper, Router Earth, San Marie, Oki, Sitorio Cebu, Ibanez, Henry, Oki, Sitorio Cebu, Fernandez, Niel, Matthew, SAS, GTS, Bumaget, Glenn, Nabil, ASGT, GTS Cebu City, Alvarez, Jacob, Andre, ASK, Cebu, please come here, coaches at the Tatami 3.
10 to 11 years old, open kata boys, please proceed to Tatamay 3, Herrera, Rafael, Mariano, Aka, Liberal, Jefferson, Jaidin, Al. Please proceed to Tatamay 3. Thank you.
please prepare Midala Alon Aka. Please prepare Georgia Shanea Aka, Lugakit Shina Au. Please proceed to Tatame 4.
Winner, Aka, Legal Saint Alexis Gold, Kerater Ryan Paul Al.
Please prepare
Legal Saint Alexis Gold, Kerater Ryan Paul Silver. Please proceed to the awarding stage. Thank you.
For the championship bout, Midala Alon Aka versus Cortez John Marie Au. Midala Alon. Alon. To the mat now, please. Cortez John Marie.
First bout for 12 to 13 years old intermediate kata girls. Orfano A. Jaslyn Aka, Maman Lishan Andre Au.
For 8 to 9 years old novice kata girls, please prepare. Georgia Lungakit.
Winner, Al. Kathleen Zaki from AKKR. Next bout, Ayo Ella, raise your hand, Aka. And Pardo, Ana. Start.
First call, Orfano May Jasmine. Raise your hand. Orfano.
Please prepare 89 years old intermediate Kaka boys. Please prepare in the staging area right now. Aka Lopez George W. from PAK Pangasinan. Al Aguilar Jacob from JKS Philippines CV. Al Pakumbaba Jero from SKIF Philippines. Aka Meramo Post JV from AOK Chicago Cebu. Al Olivares John Vince ASK Cebu. Al Cinco Sebastian Carla from ASK SJKS Cebu. Aka Deva Ivan from SKIF Philippines. Al Apur Clarence from Robert from UPSSKI JKS Tagbilaran City. Al Apur John Blake from GKS Philippines City. Aka Mayari Marion James from GKS Philippines City. And Al Aka Alexander in the staging area. Malan. Thank you.
Now for 8 to 9 years old novice kata girls, first bout Georgia Shania Aka
Winner, Aka. Orfano Kai Justin.
versus Longkaki China Au.
Next Aka Sabote Au. Please get ready.
Georgia Shina, please raise your hands. Longkaki
Next bout in Fed Crystal Gale Aka. Vergara Kani Au.
Dalugdog Shea Lin, please raise your hand. Please stand by. Cortez Princess Arki. Okay, stand by. Georgia Shania, please double time.
Please be ready after this bout. RK Blessing Aka. Or
Paloma Maria Aquina, please prepare. Tan Suzanne Don, prepare. Bonghanoy Anika, Castro Aubrey,
after this bout, please be ready. Meloy Johanna Abigail Aka. Estoya Kimberly Au. After this bout.
Castro Aubrey, please raise your hand. Stand by. Deluria Angel, please proceed.
Molion Shamir Dale Lima, 10 to 11 years old. Please proceed at the tatami 3.
Winner, Au. Vergara Kailane. Please change your belt to Aka. Next bout, Meloy Johanna Abigail Aka. Estoya Kimberly Au.
Players for 10 to 11 years old intermediate kata boys, please proceed to tatami
versus Paloma Athena Au. Larubis Zihari Bell. Larubis Zihari Bell.
After this bout, please be ready. Orfano K for Aka, Gilyamak Athena Labnel for Au. Please be ready after this bout.
After 11 we will proceed to 10 years old. Legit. First bout, Amarado, Rihanna, and Talia from Shitorio, Cebu.
Winner, Au, Karugay Pearl Hermione. Please change your belt to Aka. Next bout, Orfano K. Justin for Aka, Gilyamak Athena Labnel for Au. After this, please be ready. Vergara Kailani Aka, Avila Shendi Au. Please be ready.
Amarado, Rihanna, raise your hand. Talia, Alexandra, raise your hand. Stay put down. Amarado and Talia, intermediate
Paloma
hand.
Maria Athena. Next, Suzanne Tan versus Bohanoy Anika. Suzanne Tan. Okay, start.